Hello, Watts Art Center campus students. This Culmination tutorial is a guide to help you perform for the Watts Art Center campus JMP and CAP recital. Let's begin. Important dates and information. There are 2 dates to keep in mind. First, we have rehearsal day on Saturday, April 22nd. Call time is at 10:30. Then we have recital day on Sunday, April 23rd, starting at 1 p.m. All students must check in by 12 p.m. Please add both dates to your calendar. Mandatory dress code. For this event, all performers must dress to impress. Therefore, formal clothing is mandatory. Sweaters, t-shirts, jeans, or shorts will not be allowed. Performance guide. There are 4 key points to keep in mind. First is performer's seating area. Second is microphone. Third is instrument. And fourth is back to seating area. These 4 key points will guide you on how to navigate around the performance area. Now, let's review each key point. Performer's seating area. There are 4 seating area steps. First, binder position. Binders placed on lap. Second, stand when your name is called. Third, walk to your left. Fourth, return to your seat after performing. Now, let's take a look. Step 1.
Up next, we have Nancy Velasquez.
Step 2. Step 3. After performing, step 4. Remember to walk to your left, around the piano, to the microphone. Microphone. There are 4 microphone steps. First, breathe. Second, greet audience. Third, full name, first and last. And fourth, name of music piece and composer. Now, let's take a look. Good afternoon. My name is Nancy Velasquez, and I will be performing De Colores by Joan Baez. Let's take a closer look. Good afternoon. My name is Nancy Velasquez, and I will be performing De Colores by Joan Baez. Instrument. For this tutorial, we will be using the grand piano. There are 5 instrument steps. Step 1, sit and open binder to music sheet. Step 2, breathe and get in position. Step 3, perform. Step 4, breathe and close binder. Step 5, stand, walk towards audience, and bow. Now, let's take a look. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5. Before moving forward, let's talk about posture. If your back is arched, make sure to sit up straight and relax your shoulders before performing. Back to seating area. There are 2 seating area steps. Step 1, return to your assigned seat. Step 2, enjoy the rest of the recital. Now, let's take a look. Step 1, Step 2. We have now reviewed all 4 key points with their corresponding steps. If you are a non-piano student, please ask your instructor for modifications for key point 2 and 3. Now, let's see it all together.
Up next, we have Nancy Velasquez.
Good afternoon. My name is Nancy Velasquez. I will be performing De Colores by Joan Baez. We will see you all on rehearsal day and recital day. Thanks for watching.